Hello.
Welcome to my live, lady.
Welcome to my live too.
Alright.
Huh?
Let's play the game.
Okay. What
You
play?
know what? We both wearing green color today.
Yeah, we're the same color.
Yeah.
Where?
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. What about you?
Very beautiful country.
Thank you so much. Come here and you visit Philippines. You want?
I will someday. I will try. Very
What?
beautiful country, just like as you do.
Yeah. Huh?
Salamat sa nagpa-follow sa akin.
What?
What
Did
is
you
your
see?
name? What is your name?
Sandra.
Sandra. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Your name fits on you. Looking good.
Okay,
Good
thank you
one.
so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nagpiltoy lang ako.
Siguro no apay bonak di.
All right. Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student.
All right. Like a high school?
No, college. First year
Oh,
college.
wow. Is it fun going to college in Philippines?
Yes, you can travel everywhere you want to go.
I will try that. I want to study medicine. I want to study medicine in Philippines.
Okay,
Very
come
soon.
here at NUW, Northwestern University.
All right. Where is that? Where is that?
University. What?
Which part that in Philippines?
In Ilocos Norte?
Okay. Oy, maganda dyan sa north, di ba? Maganda dyan, no?
Ay, tarantado. Nag-Ilocano siya.
Maganda dyan sa
Napahirap mo
Ilocos,
pa
no?
ako.
Ano yan?
Napahirap mo ko, ha? Hindi ta kasangom kay. Grabe. Sinat kasamsangok nga ron. Tatamo. Shit. Yan. Tagano ka? Ha?
Tagalog lang, Tagalog.
Ay, Tagalog. Tagasan ka?
Sa puso mo.
Ano?
Puso mo.
Baga. Yuck. Ew. Friend.
Yak daw, guys. Anyway, anong year ka na sa college?
Ewan nun. Nag-connectingan nga eh. What?
Anong year ka na sa college?
First year.
Okay. Still long way to go,
Yeah, only 3 years. I'm only studying in 3 years, Bolok, idaling cellphone yun.
Hey, Sandra, i-upload ko to Sandra sa social media.
What?
Eto, i-upload ko to sa social media.
You're uploading this in social media? Oh my God.
Eto yung ginagawa kong content.
Allah. Ay, super, di mo naman sinabi ko. Baka sobrang pangit ko naman dyan sa video. Just kidding.
No, you look great. You can't even see yourself right now.
I-post na kayo FB. Di ba yun? Ay, super.